Powering Global Sustainability, a formal guide to exporting renewable energy equipment from the United Kingdom. Introduction: Meeting global demand for clean power. British wind nacelles, solar inverters, and hydrogen electrolyzers now energize projects on every continent. Exporting this equipment not only advances worldwide decarbonization but also positions the United Kingdom at the forefront of the green economy supply chain. International compliance, embracing IEC and ISO standards. Before a single crate leaves the factory, manufacturers align with IEC performance standards and ISO quality frameworks. Certificates issued under the IECRE scheme or an ISO audited management system provide the technical passport that oversees buyers' and insurers' demand. Product marking and export control screening. Finished units carry the CE mark for Europe and the UKCA mark for Great Britain, signaling conformity with safety and environmental directives. Advanced power electronics are screened for dual-use status, and any licensable items obtain export control joint unit clearance well ahead of the shipment date. Financing the green export. Large-scale renewable contracts often rely on blended finance. UK Export Finance offers government-backed loans, credit guarantees, and development guarantees, while private green bond issuances and multilateral climate fund programs deliver additional liquidity and risk-sharing. Customs infrastructure, EORI and procedure codes. An economic operator registration and identification number anchors every export. Combined with the correct customs procedure code, it tells HMRC whether the goods are moving under a permanent sale, a temporary demonstration, or another regime information critical to a compliant customs declaration. Building a reliable export document pack. The commercial invoice, packing list, insurance certificate, and, where relevant, statement of origin or export license must present a consistent portrait of the consignment. Details such as Incoterms, weights, and certification numbers should match across every document to avoid border queries. Filing the export declaration through Customs Declarations UK. Within the Customs Declarations UK platform, the exporter selects full export declaration, enters line item values and quantities, references any licenses and additional documents. Real-time validation flags inconsistencies, and HMRC issues a movement reference number within seconds of acceptance. Destination market formalities and duty relief. Many countries waive import duty on certified renewable energy equipment to meet their Paris Agreement commitments. Providing a correctly worded origin statement or EUR1 certificate allows buyers to claim these incentives and accelerates customs release on arrival. Managing commercial risk with Incoterms and insurance. Choosing Incoterms that balance control and liability, such as CIF, for hardware alone or DAP when installation services are bundled, helps safeguard cash flow. Marine cargo insurance limits must align with project finance covenants to protect all stakeholders. Post-export obligations and record retention. HMRC requires that customs records, movement reference numbers, and supporting certificates be archived for 6 years. Technical files and test reports should remain accessible for the full warranty life of the equipment, ensuring swift response to any post-clearance or performance audit. Conclusion: delivering sustainable technology with confidence. By coupling rigorous international standards and proactive financing with flawless electronic declarations through Customs Declarations UK, British exporters deliver renewable energy technology to global markets on schedule, in full compliance, and in service of a sustainable future.